Now, Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust has invited applications from eligible persons for the position of the Chief Executive Officer of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir. The last date of the application is Saturday, which is July 18th, 2026, and the deadline is around 4 p.m. So now the Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra is in fact looking for new people to hold the position of the Chief Executive Officer. Let me go across to my colleague Sambhav Sharma, who joins us live on the broadcast for more information on this front as well. Sambhav, you've been tracking the court hearings related to this case. Now we are getting another development on a front where they have in fact put out a post, an advertisement inviting applications for the new CEO.
Well, absolutely. See, the trust will have to answer to the Supreme Court, because the Supreme Court has formally issued notice today in a brief hearing in the top court. The Supreme Court has issued notice to trust. So, yeah, that's a related development which you're talking about. And here, the major development is the reply is to be filed by the trust, and it is to be seen what reply is to be filed. Because see, remember when Solicitor General Tushar Mehta was talking about appeared in the Supreme Court, and he talked about the investigation into this alleged donation theft case, and said that state of Uttar Pradesh and SIT is very much cooperating and with what the Supreme Court says, and there is no issue as such, no notice as such issued to state of Uttar Pradesh, but the state of Uttar Pradesh will cooperate with the Supreme Court proceedings, and also trust will have to give a detailed reply to the Supreme Court before the next date of hearing. So this is a relevant development which you are talking about, obviously. So all eyes are on the trust and the SIT constituted by the UP government, what SIT will have to say, because SIT's report is to be submitted in the Supreme Court before the next date of hearing, that is next Monday, and that is to be submitted in sealed cover. So it is important here. Solicitor General said in the Supreme Court that they will submit the SIT's report. So SIT will also have to conclude its investigation into this alleged donation theft case before next Monday, and will have to submit a status report on this before the top court of the country, before the three judges of the Supreme Court. Because remember, now all eyes are on the Ram Mandir Trust and special investigation team which is investigating this whole case. Because when this matter earlier reached the Supreme Court said we will hear the matter post vacation, and this was the day one post vacation, and here on first day itself CJI Surikant has heard this matter, although briefly, but sought a status report as to what exactly SIT is doing, and at the SIT will have to submit all the nitty-gritties as to how exactly the investigation into this case has been done, who all are arrested, what exactly is the status, also what's going on in the trial court, because all these what exactly, I mean, the questioning, what questions were asked, and who all could be arrested in future. All these details will have to be submitted by the SIT before.
Right. All right, Sambhav, I'll request you to please stay on with us. We'll be requiring your inputs for some other stories that we are tracking in this bulletin. But before that, we have some breaking news coming our way. Well, on the alleged Ram Mandir donations embezzlement